friends and creators from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. And if you've been here before, welcome back. It's October. That means a new kit. I'm excited. Are you? Let's get into it. All right, this kit is going to be available all throughout the month of October 2024 for free. And this month's kit features mermaids and the underwater world of the mermaids and the mermen and the fishies and all the fun under the sea happenings. So this is going to be a fun mini junk journal kit again, but we're going to do a little something different with this month's kit. So be sure to stay tuned for the craft-along videos throughout the month. You can subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications when I release a new video for this kit or anything else on the channel. And yeah, it's going to be a fun one. I wanted to step out of the October vibe and into something warm and appealing. And so we're going to deal with these beautiful mermaids this month. Okay, so first we have 8 pages of half pages. Now I printed mine on both sides, so I'm going to flip these as I go. So you'll cut these here and then those will be folded in half to make your mini journal. Okay, so we get this lovely, gorgeous mermaid and then this underwater sea coral scene. We have a little buried treasure, of course. Nice sunset on the ocean. A merman, another mermaid, another merman. Have to give the guy some love in this one too. A little shipwreck. All the things that you would expect in a mermaid kit, right? Schools of fish. All right, so those are the half pages. Then, well, let me show you all the full pages first, and then we'll get into the ephemera because there's a lot of ephemera. All right, so these are the full pages you get, and you get 9 of these. So we have just some ocean waves, some beautiful mermaid scales, all the things you would expect. Some coral, more coral, sand dollars, seashells, sea glass, more coral, and then just a back page. I figured you could use this to print on the back of your ephemera if you wanted to, because it would give you a lot of room for writing. But use what you have, whatever you have. And then the ephemera pieces. So we have a bunch of journaling cards. In various sizes. These could also be pockets. All these tags, and I've included some stamps this month and other fun things. Lots of dominoes here. Some circles, and this is going to be something you can flip over the page, so you can fold it in half and then flip it over. We've got a watery pocket. Some tickets. This is a little envelope with a card to stick inside. More pockets. Some more tags. Even more tags. Excuse me. We get into the words here. These are tabs that can go on the top of these tags, or you can put them on the sides of pages. More tags, and even more tags. Lots more words here, some more tickets, more tags, more ephemera, lots of fun stuff to play with, even more pockets. There's a ton of ephemera in this one, guys. And then 2 pages of fussy cuts. Lots of fun mermaids and nautical pieces. So that is the kit. It is free throughout October. All the details are in the description box under the video or to the side. You'll see the title. You'll see the description. It says see more. Open that. The link to go get yours is there. And a lot of questions. People ask about why didn't I get my kit? It doesn't come automatically. You have to opt in every month. That is the little bit of work you have to do to get the kit for free. And then you can get it and use it throughout the month. And there'll also be some freebies this month again coming to you through your email. So some add-on items for your journal, as if this is not enough. You get additional pieces that we'll be using in the kit. So that'll be fun. So I hope you enjoy this one. You go grab yours for free and join me here on the Craft-a-Longs all month long as we make our fun October Mermaid Mini Junk Journal Kit. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.